Okay guys, I am here in my craft room. As you can see, it's kind of dark outside. My husband's napping, and I thought I'd just come in here and work on some pieces that I picked up from the thrift store. This is a Christmas tree here, and I'm kind of turning them into colors that I can use for my Pioneer Woman theme Christmas this year. So I thought I would share it with you. This is the tree that I picked up. It's just a little like metal tree on a stand here, and I'm going to repaint this into some Pioneer Woman colors and one of her patterns. That way I can use it in my decor. And I've actually been working on this piece back here too. I'm not done with it yet, but that's a piece that was all blue when I picked it up. It's a like a ceramic piece with pigs on it. But anyway, I picked up this sign here at the thrift store the other day. It's like a metal sign with a chalkboard thing on it, and somebody had wrote hot chocolate on it. Well, I thought this would be cute. See the little holes in the top? I can hang it by that, put it on the wall. But this is a little bit greener than I want, so I'm going to just paint that green section kind of the teal color that Pioneer Woman has in chalkboard paint, and then I'm going to write something on it. I don't know if it's going to be Merry Christmas, hot chocolate, whatever. It did have hot chocolate wrote on it. It's just according to how I use it in my decor. So I'm going to paint that a little bit of a teal color. And then I picked up these guys. These are really cute. Picked these up at the thrift store, but it looks like somebody made them because they actually have dates on the back of them with somebody's initials. You'll see that? That one says AB. It's got a date on it. Looks like maybe 1971 or something. But anyway, all of them are like that. And I give $2.89 for the stack. And that one's yellow. And I got a pink one. And then I got this green one. So I think I'm going to paint these in some more like Pioneer Woman colors, like reds and teals and different colors like that. I may keep this pink one because some of her stuff's got pink in it. But anyway, and yellow. Actually, the yellow would work too, but I don't think I'm going to have a lot of yellow in my decor. So anyway, I'm going to paint these into different colors, and I'm going to put little strings on the ends of them there and use them on my Pioneer Woman trees since they are little like teapots. I thought that would be cute. I would love to have got a few more, but there was only 4 of them. But I'll use those as ornaments on my tree. So I'm going to get to painting and show you what I got. Okay guys, now I'm in my eBay room in here where I do my crafting. And I wanted to show you the little teacups that I showed earlier in the other clip. I painted 2 of them in this pattern here. I don't remember what this pattern's called, but I like the teal and the polka dot. So I painted 2 of the little teacups teal and then put the little polka dots on them. Just left the back kind of normal. And then I put a little bit of sheen on them just to make them shine a little bit. I thought those turned out cute. And here's the 2 red ones. I decided to go with 2 red ones. I didn't really want the yellow and pink because I didn't have any more. So I went with 2 red and 2 of the teal with polka dots. So I painted these 2 back here red. And then I actually bought a pack of these little rolling pins off eBay, and I painted them up myself, and then in different colors. Now I don't know if I'll use all these, but I wanted to have plenty just in case. So anyway, I done different little colors on them. I made this one in the teal and polka dot with just the brown handles, and then I got a couple of these red handles with the teal, and I kept the little strings. I'm gonna put the strings back on them and probably hang them on the tree. And then I made a couple of these with the blue handles with just the regular, well, they were raw, but I took a little bit of brown and a little bit of my like ivory color and dry brushed them and just give them that kind of used look. So I got a couple of those. I got 1, 2, 4 of those. And these are the ones I really love. They had some of these, but they were a little bit bigger at Hobby Lobby. So I just come home and painted mine like the ones I seen there, with the little red and polka dot handles with the raw part here. I didn't even paint those, but I thought those were super cute. I really love those, but I wanted a variety of different ones, and I don't know how many of them I'll use, but they're all cute. I like them. Then I just painted these in green with the red handles. This is kind of the green that's my little truck. It's close. I mean, not identical, but it's close. And to the little truck I have and the little like cupcake dome I have in there. So I wanted to kind of incorporate all those colors I have in my kitchen with those. And I just thought they turned out really cute. Even my husband was like, those are really cute. I'm impressed. And these, I don't know if I'm going to use these, but I found these mason jar lids at the thrift store, and they had this red and white check, which is one of her patterns. These are not Pioneer Woman mason lids or anything, but they were like regular lids with the, what I think they call Charmin Charlie check or something, I'm not sure. But anyway, I painted the lid the teal color, and then just left the red piece in it like that. And I may use these, I don't know, because I have seen people put mason jar lids on their tree. So I was just going to like hot glue a little bit of twine or something on the back to make a holder and hang these on the tree, since they're in the colors that I like for the Pioneer Woman. So we'll see. I don't know if I'm going to need them or not, but I made them just in case. But I thought they were kind of cute with the teal and the red and white, since I'm kind of going for that theme. Okay, I wanted to show you. Sorry I'm set up in a bad spot, but my living room's a wreck. I got all my Christmas stuff laid out in there, and I was fixing to take this stuff in there. So I figured I would just record it right here where I had some good lighting. These are the little cups I showed you guys in my Hobby Lobby haul, and they had the little word joy on this side of them. And I didn't want to use that, so I bought these stickers to put on there just to give me some more color. And I just put them on the opposite side of the cups. And I thought they turned out cute. Those will look cute hanging on the tree. It's like 2 teal ones, a green one, which has a little bit of red and teal in it. So I went with that one. And then this red one here. Just trying to get some of the colors that I'm using. Okay, I actually have already put my tree up, but I haven't decorated it, which I'm surprised, and it's the day after Thanksgiving. But, you know, that's the way it is. I've been moving slow this year because I've been having trouble with my hip, so I'm taking my time with it. So these here are the little cutting boards that I showed you in my Hobby Lobby haul, and they say Fa La La and Noel on them. Well, I couldn't decide whether I wanted to leave them plain or put a little color on them. So, as you can see, I decided to put a little color on them. So I just painted like the top parts of them, and then left the bottom parts, you know, the way I bought them, because I just wanted a little color just to break up the brown. So I made 2 red ones. And then I painted this one in the teal. They're not perfect, but ain't nobody gonna notice that. And then I made 2 of the white ones. So I thought those turned out cute. So I got those ready to go. I'm going to start here in just a little bit decorating my tree. and putting out my decor. I got everything laying in my living room, and I got to take all this stuff in there. And the last thing here I wanted to show you is this little tree that I showed you guys. It was green with, I think, red polka dots on it. Well, I kind of touched up the base, and then I painted the tree. It's just a metal tree in the teal, and then put the white polka dots on it. And I thought it turned out cute. I didn't really do nothing to the back, but paint it blue. And you can kind of see the polka dots still showing through a little bit on the back. I felt like it wasn't necessary to paint the back. I'm only going to be showing one side. So I put the polka dots all over the front, and I'm going to use that in my decor. I thought it was super cute. Trying to make it look like Pioneer Woman. Because she has some like metal tree type things with fabric on them. But they're kind of expensive. And I didn't want to buy one just for a one-time Christmas, you know. So I found this tree at the thrift store. And I'm like, I can paint that and kind of make it look like something of hers. So that's what I did. So now I want to show you something that I just recently bought. And I wasn't even sure what I was going to do with it. So let me show you what I did do with it. Alright, this is the last piece I wanted to show you. I went to the thrift store the other day, and they had this sign in there. This is just a piece of wood cut into a tree shape. And it was just a piece of wood. It wasn't painted or anything. So I'm like, oh, I'm going to get that. I don't know what I could do with it. I only paid $1 for it. And then I got home, and I got to thinking about it. I'm like, well, I could probably order some Pioneer Woman adhesive and put on it and do something with it. I still didn't know what I wanted to do with it. So I got on Walmart.com and I ordered this Pioneer Woman adhesive. You know, it's like shelf liner adhesive kind of thing. And I bought it and I put it on the board and cut it out. And I thought it turned out cute. And then I took the edges here. I don't know if you can see the edges, but I painted them, the edges of it, in the teal. So it's like the red check with the teal edges. And then I was like, this thing's kind of big. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I wanted it. And then I seen something online, and it made me think I could run some line back and forth across this thing and maybe hang Christmas cards on it and put it on my wall. So I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to run me some line across it or something, and you know, make it look like kind of like a decorated tree, and hang Christmas cards that I get on it. I thought that would be a good idea since it's so big. It'd be great for that. So I only put $1 into the sign, and then I paid under $10 for the liner to make that with. But I thought it turned out cute, and I'm going to use it in here in my decor somehow. Anyway, I wanted to share all these things with you guys and just show you kind of what I come up with, what ideas I came up with for my Pioneer Woman inspired theme for Christmas this year. I just wanted to kind of do this video and just update you on all of my little projects. I had been talking about doing these different projects for my Pioneer Woman inspired Christmas theme this year, and I just wanted to show you kind of what I came up with on all of my little projects. I know I didn't actually record me doing the projects because I do them on different days, and it's just kind of aggravating to record every time I go in there to craft a little bit. So I figured I'd just show it all to you in this one video, just showing you what I came up with. Before I actually put it all together, you will see it in the Christmas tour video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing all the things that I come up with. I'm just at home getting ready to decorate the tree, and I didn't really want to get all prettied up, you know, just to make a video. So it's all about the crafts anyway. It ain't about me. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And I guess subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. I'd love to have you. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I thank all of you that are already subscribed. I love you guys so much for following me and supporting my channel. And I hope y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving yesterday. And I guess I'll get in here and get busy all up. I got all my Christmas stuff laid out. I gotta get busy. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.